Hi ladies! I'm sure many of you have style envy for your favorite Instagram influencers. So to help you out a bit, I'm going to show you how to steal their look and upgrade your fashion styles. We'll be stealing the style of Malaysian fashion queen Vivy Yusof. Today I'll try to replicate her looks using mostly items from Ayu Apparels, but you can always use whatever you have in your wardrobe. So let's start! So for the first look, Vivy wore an embroidered floral cardigan over a plain white t-shirt. She paired it with ripped boyfriend jeans and a pair of simple pumps to keep it sophisticated. So to match her, I'm wearing the Carella Luxe cardigan in khaki, which also has gorgeous floral embroidery over a plain white t-shirt. For bottoms, I wore some plain boyfriend jeans. Then, to keep it classy, complete the look with your favorite pair of heels. As you can see, this is actually a great way to dress down the look so you can have an excuse to wear a cardigan like this on normal days. In this look, she wore a white ruffle top together with plain slim black pants. She completed it with a pair of chic white sandals for that classic monochromatic look. Most of us still can't get enough of ruffles, so here I'm wearing the Parthena Ruffles blouse in black, which is a close dupe of the one Vivy wore. For bottoms, I'm wearing the striped slim pants in white. To keep it monochromatic, I paired it with a pair of black heels. It's hard to go wrong in black and white, which is a look that will never go out of style. In this look, you can see Vivy rocking her exaggerated belt sleeves top paired with simple white slim pants. She also colour blocked by wearing a pastel green shawl. She completed her look with a pair of casual yet trendy slides. So, I'm wearing the Arissa bell sleeve in baby pink, which gives off the same exaggerated bell sleeves feel. And also, since ruffles are in trend, I paired it with the ruffle pants in white too. Add a pair of sandals to keep it casual like Vivy. The trick to this look is to make sure to colour block your pieces. Pink and blue, how sweet is this look? I love this outfit by Vivy where she pairs a floral blue blouse with flared pink pants. To top it off, she's wearing a pink hijab completing the pink and blue ensemble. To replicate this look, I'm wearing a similar floral top, which is the tied floral blouse in blue, and I'm pairing it with a flare hem pants in pink. Sometimes you should have fun by going bold with color blocking, and this is the perfect sweet pink and blue color combination to go for. Grid pants are coming back in style, and here Vivy is wearing the bold grid pants with a simple white top. Although her top is plain, they have small details like the sleeve detail or ruffles, which add an interesting element to her look. Don't be afraid to wear bold pieces like the grid textured pants I'm wearing here. The hem also gives off that pajama feel to the pants, which is also in trend. Since the bottom is already patterned, I'm keeping it simple with the ribbed line blouse in white to match Vivy's look. I hope this has been useful for you in helping you spruce up your outfits for 2018 inspired by Vivy Yusof. If you like what you've seen today and you'd like to see more, leave a like and a comment. I'll see you soon. Bye!
Brought to you by Ayu Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslima online store.